Hello, my name is Yuvraj, and today we'll be talking about plastic/litter in the Chesapeake Bay. I'm gonna ask a few questions to myself, and I'm gonna answer them. Okay, so first question is, where could have the pollution come from? The pollution could have come from people dumping trash into the sewer. Because of this, it ends up in streams and rivers, and then eventually the streams and rivers transport all that pollution to the Chesapeake Bay. And people buy plastic from stores and supermarkets and litter, and it reaches rivers and lakes and flows into the Chesapeake. And plastic could also come from restaurants, leftover food, because people take plastic cups and also litter them. So that's also affecting the Chesapeake Bay. And people could have eaten near the river and they could have littered in the river, and they would have caused dirty and polluted streams and rivers, which eventually get to the Chesapeake Bay. Second question, what are the positive impacts does this pollution have on the watershed? Plastic does not have any positive impacts on the watershed. So moving on to the next question, what negative impacts does it have on the watershed? One negative impact would be it kills aquamarine species by entangling, suffocation, ingestion, starvation. So that just kills them because plastic does that. And another negative impact is that plastic debris pollutes the water of the watershed. So that's another down. And plastic can also clog rivers and streams and send less fresh water to the watershed. And another one is plastic debris is affecting the human food chain. So that's not really good. And now we move on to the fourth question. How can pollutants be removed or contained? It could be removed by recycling, not littering, and using disposable packaging instead of plastic, and controlling trash and litter. And people could start picking up litter if they see it, so that would really help. And last question, how is the Chesapeake affected by this pollution? One is that the plastic is fouling the Chesapeake and the turbidity is getting really high. And that causes water creatures to get sick also. And the shores of the Chesapeake are also full of pollution, so that's not really good. And that would conclude my little essay type thing. Here are my sources. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.